these on their own. We did this in class, and you have to graph correctly. Okay, we did a lot of this in class. I'm going to go over, let's say, M. I'll do it over M. M is important. I'll go over M and N in a division one. And Q, we'll do those three right here. Okay, you first do order of operation. You always do exponent first. Let's take the A to the fifth. Because it's multiplying, you're going to add. Okay, add that to the 7, positive 7. And then we look at B next. B to the negative third plus that negative 2. And then you do multiplication last, so 17 times 2. You always put it in front though. So you get 34 there on that one.
David Lima, please report to the main office. David Lima, come to the main office.
B to the negative 5. You cannot have an answer that's negative. So this is all over 1. So basically 34, A to the second, and you only move that one to the bottom, B to the fifth. Okay? And that's your answer. You cannot have a negative exponent as your final answer. Can never happen. Unless they say leave intentionally, the direction says leave it as a negative exponent. No fractions. They'll say that at times. Just need to read the direction. That's negative 3 to the power of 2. It's a negative number. Let's put it in parentheses. That gets you 9 x to the 8th and y to the negative 6. But that negative 6 needs to go to the bottom, y to the 6, like that. Okay? And you guys know how to do this. Make sure that's a 1. Make sure you distribute to that as a 5, so 2 to the 5th. Now when you're dividing, you have to subtract the exponents. Let's do the exponent first. Let's do the ends. That's a minus 2. That's a 1 because you cross that out. That's n to the third times, cross this out because it's the smaller of the two. That's a 1 minus 3, so m to the fourth. Okay, and then all the exponents are gone. You divide. 28 divided by 14, you get a 2. 2 over 1, or just a 2. Okay, so your answer is 2n third. When you multiply all this, you get that. And on the bottom, 1 times 1 is 1 times m to the fourth is m to the fourth. That's your answer, okay? That's how you do these. And then I want to see who can do these, so I'm going to check it. This I went over in class, I think. Very similar. I want to see who can do it. Let me look. Did I put that worksheet? I took the worksheet to see which one I'm going to check you guys tomorrow. Okay, anyways, I'll find it. I thought I put it here. Okay, I'll do this one on V. I'll do U. You guys do V. Okay, U. You do the numerator, you multiply, you do the exponent y to the first plus the 4, and then x to the fourth plus the 2, and then you multiply. This is a multiplication problem, that's why you add 5 times 6. Then on the bottom, the denominator, you can't do anything, so you just copy it. Okay? So you get 30x to the 6th, y to the 5th, over 10x to the 3rd, y to the 3rd. Y equals, this is 3x to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, all over 1. Okay? Okay, get that over there. Graph the system. Make sure you solve it first. 5x plus 3y equals negative 27. Because we're finding the answer to this system. So minus 5x minus 5x. So 3y equals to 27 minus 5x negative. Divide by 3. Positive 3, by the way. So one equation is y equals to negative 9 minus 5 over 3x. So start out at negative 9, right here, and go down 3. 1, 2, 3 over down 5. 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, right there. Ooh, it goes up to the other problem. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 3. And then connect the dots and go like this so we don't interrupt the other problem. That just helps us put in a line. Okay? And then you do the other one, same. 7x minus 6y equals negative 48 minus 7x. Okay, that's 0. That's a negative 6y equals to negative 48 minus 7x. Divide by negative 6. Y equals to 8 plus 7 over 6x. So start out at 8. I purposely made this graph go up high. Up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we go down the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 6. Right there. That's where the line crosses. One solution can always go over the graph at negative 6, 1. Here, okay, and no solution. Remember, no solution when the slope are the same and the slope's the same and the y-intercept is different. So whatever you write, okay, here's our equation, right? So no solution is y equals, then the slope's the same, negative 5 over 3x, negative 5 over 3x, minus 9. The slope's the same, and the y-intercept is different. You don't need to explain to me which one's the slope. All of you, I've read all the stuff, is correct. And the y-intercept, you know which one is the y-intercept, which one's the slope, are different. You can leave it like this now. Okay, and you do the same for this one. Okay, do this one. This is important. It'll be on your test. If you don't understand, see me. Ask questions here. I'll leave it blank. So I hope this helps for those of you who don't understand.